So here, from the blood inside each kidney, I told you, there are more than 1 million nephrons. Now, fluid is filtered from the blood into the nephron through a structure called as glomerulus. Remember girls, tubes in the kidneys, they collect the waste from the nephrons. And then water and the waste filtered out of the blood form a liquid known as urine. Now, this is the parts of urinary system: kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra. I will show you. I'm going to show you here. See here, girls. These are a pair of kidneys, a long tube. They are called as ureter. I used to remember as meter. Meter scale, like meter. Just remove M and remember that's ureter because it's a long one. Ureter. This is the bladder where you drink milk, and after maybe every in 1 minute it collects almost like 1 ml if you're drinking water. Anyways, and then finally when this bladder is full, it pushes the urine through the urethra and the urine passes out. This is the structure of kidney or the urinary system. Now come back here. So I told you kidneys, I told you these long tubes are called ureters. Urine form in the kidneys. From the kidneys, urine travels through ureters. The ureters are tubes that connect kidney to the bladder. They connect kidney to the bladder. These are the tubes. Now what is bladder? The urine is transported from the kidneys to the bladder. My urine comes down here to the bladder. It collects because, like example, the doctor tells you, come on, drink lots of water now. Okay, maybe I'm drinking 2 to 3 glasses of water. Do you think 2 to 3 glasses of water will suddenly go to the bladder? No, it takes time. Okay, slowly my bladder gets full, and it holds the urine until it is ready to be released. At that time, the muscles contracts. And Allah, again the role of the muscles. It contract and squeeze urine out of the bladder. This bladder, it contract and squeeze, and then urine come out through the bladder. What is urethra? This is the last part. Urine exits the bladder through a tube called urethra. I hope you all understood about it. Now next page, girls, wait a minute. Here, urine is collected from... Okay girls, so here, as I have explained you, unfiltered blood enters the kidney, it goes into the kidney, and it goes into millions of tiny capillaries which are attached to the, can you see those small pipes which are attached to the nephrons? As the blood flows through the capillaries, waste are drawn out of the blood and into the nephron. They go out of the blood and into the nephron. Once the blood has filtered, it flows back to the kidney, to the body, and urine is collected from all of the nephrons and then flows out of the kidney through the ureter. I even showed you the structure of the urinary system, which explains you more in detail. Now, how does the urinary system maintain homeostasis? How does it maintain the internal body? Girls, what will happen if you don't drink enough water? Your cells have to maintain a certain level of water and salt in order to function properly. The excretory system works. Okay, here one second, girls. Yes. The excretory system works with the endocrine system, that is with the hormones, to help maintain homeostasis. Chemical messengers in my body, which is called as hormones, signals the kidney to filter more or less water or salt. Of course, hormones are very important, which gives message that it has to, how much salt or how much water it has to retain, or it has to, it has to excrete out. Example, when you sweat a lot of water content of your body, blood can drop. When you sweat, the lot of water content in my blood can go down. And a hormone is released that signals, that tells the kidney, come on, you need to save more water and make less urine. That's why when you sweat more, you don't pass urine.